Hi guys, in today's lecture we are going to learn about the if-else statements in C language. In this session we are going to discuss about some of the example scenarios where we can use this if-else statement. What is the syntax of the if-else statement? How does the if-else statement will get executed? Solutions for the example scenarios. Some of the do's and then don'ts, the execution of the if-else statement. Is this agenda clear for everyone? Let us check what is the flowchart if-else statement. The if statement in the flowchart is given by using the decision box. If the condition is true, then it will go and then execute this statement 1. If the condition is false, then it will go and then execute the statement 2. After these two statements, then it will go and then execute the statement n. Let us see what is the syntax of the if-else statement. If condition or test expression or value, opening bracket, true statement block, here it is statement 1, else, and then false statement block, here it is statement 2, and then statement n. Let us check out how does this get executed. First, it will verify if the condition is true or the value given in this if statement is a non-zero, then it will execute the true statement block, statement 1. If at all the condition is false or the expression results the zero value, then it automatically executes the statement 2. So in either of the case, it can only execute one block, either statement 1 or either statement 2. So that sort of the scenarios only we can make use of the if-else statement. The even or odd use case. An algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve any problem. Let us see the algorithm to find even or odd for a given number. So this algorithm is going to take inputs as a number and it is expected to give the output as either even or odd. Begin with, the steps are first to read the number and store it in num, calculate the remainder by dividing the number by 2 and check whether the number is 0, then display the given number is an even number. Otherwise, display the given number as odd number, end. Let us verify the flowchart for finding out the given number is an even or odd. Ellipse resembles the start symbol, parallelogram resembles the input-output statement. We are reading an integer and storing it into the number. Rectangle is a process box. It is used to represent any process. Here we divide the number by 2 and store it in the remainder. If statement is represented by using the decision box. Here in the condition, we verify the remainder which is calculated here is equal to 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, then we display the given number is an even number. If the remainder is 1, then we display the given number is an odd. Stop the process. To write a C program to check whether the given number is an even or odd, first job is to read the number. So I am going to declare a number int n and enter the value printf %d comma ampersand n. So now we completed reading the element, reading the number. We need to write down the if-else statement. Now what we need to do, if the expression results n mod 2 is 0, then automatically what it is going to do, it needs to print the given number is an even number. So printf given number is even. Otherwise, we are going to write down the printf the given number is odd. Here we are just verifying whether the modulo division of this any number with 2 double equal to 0. That means the given number is an even number. Otherwise, it is an odd number. Let us execute this program, save this program, execute this program and then check what is the output. Let us enter the value 56. For this given number, this number is divisible by 2. So that is why we need to get the value even number. So we got the even. Let us execute again 37. Now for this case, the given number is not divisible by 2, hence it is an odd number. So I just wanted to summarize what we discussed now. Else statement must be immediately followed by the if statement. Else without if statement is not valid. Else does not verify any condition. The problem with the disjoint solutions only implementable with if-else statement. Thank you for this session.